Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this 30-inch Ottoman. And this thing, I can already tell you, came packaged extremely nicely. This walnut top is really nice. This is a solid wood walnut top. I mean, it's a big tray top. And what that's going to cover is all of that storage, which is huge. I mean, this is a giant cavern fabric lined storage. It's extremely soft even inside there. Nice linen fabric on this. Came in a nice bag, so everything is nice and protected. The only assembly that really is required, if you can even call it assembly, is just going to be to put on these locking casters, which are really nice because they're actually 360-degree casters with rubberized wheels. So if you have wooden floors, that's not going to bung up your floor, which is good. And they are locking, so when it swivels to the outside, you can then lock those down in place. They provide you with the hardware that you can put in the casters with, and if they've got the nice pre-drilled holes, you're just going to simply put those in and tighten those down, and then we'll flip it over and show you how it looks. So I've got all those screwed on there. That was really easy to do. And now it actually just rolls around. I don't have any of those locked. It rolls on carpet over the hard floor, so that's going to be great. Again, ample storage. This is a lot of storage. Again, 30-inch round, so you can easily put a lot of different items in there, kids' games, pillows, whatever you want to put in there. This would work great in either a home, or you could use this even like a dorm room, anywhere that you're wanting to have a nice coffee table that you could easily use. You can put up feet on it because it'll just roll right around and it'll provide a nice piece of furniture for any home.